How to form an LLC in Nevada. When starting a new company, choosing a business entity is one of the most important decisions that you make. For most businesses with more than one founding member, forming an LLC is often the best option. Before we begin, let's quickly define what an LLC is. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company and is an uncomplicated business structure that gives business owners legal protection by separating personal assets from business debts. However, creating an LLC can get complicated depending on where you're based, as the process differs from state to state. To avoid any missteps, follow along as we show you how to form an LLC in Nevada. The first step in forming an LLC is to select a name. Nevada has two naming guidelines. 1. Your LLC's name must contain one of the following phrases or abbreviations: Limited Liability Company, Limited Company, Limited, Ltd, LLC, LLC, or LC. Co can be substituted for the word company. 2. Your LLC's name must be distinguishable from the names of existing businesses on file with the Secretary of State. After selecting a name for your LLC, you can reserve it with the Nevada Secretary of State. To do this, 1. Make sure your chosen business name is available in Nevada by performing a business search. 2. File a name reservation request with the Nevada Secretary of State by mail or online to reserve a name for up to 90 days. Note that reserving a name has a fee. Check the description below for more details. Step 2. Designate a registered agent. Like most U.S. states, forming an LLC in Nevada requires appointing a registered agent service. A registered agent is an individual or a company that acts as your official point of contact in the state to receive legal documents, service of process, and other official communications from the state. It is their job to forward these documents and communications to your LLC in a timely manner. A registered agent also helps save time mailing documents and keeps your address and other personal information private. Your registered agent must meet the following requirements. 1. Must be a state resident with a street address in Nevada. 2. Have a business office in Nevada if located out of state. Check out the description below for recommended registered agent services to guide you through this entire process. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. An LLC is officially formed in Nevada by filing Articles of Organization with the Secretary of State. The Articles of Organization must provide the following details: LLC name, registered agent name, address, and signature if the LLC is member-run or manager-run, each member or manager's name and address, LLC dissolution date, LLC organizer name, address, and signature. When you submit your Articles of Organization, you must also submit your first annual report and a completed state business license application. You can file online or by mail. Note that there is a fee. Check the description below for more details. Next is to create an operating agreement. An operating agreement does the following: describes your business structure, establishes the individual responsibilities and obligations of your LLC members, details how the LLC will be run. Although Nevada doesn't require one, an operating agreement clarifies the specific duties of its members, which may help your LLC avoid significant legal and operational difficulties. Step 5. Get an EIN. Before your company is ready to start doing business, you must obtain an IRS Employer Identification Number, EIN, by applying on the IRS website. The 9-digit EIN is like a social security number for a business and is necessary for things like paying income tax, filing tax returns, opening a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN on the IRS website. Finally, make sure to complete all additional legal requirements. File annual reports, annual lists. All LLCs active in Nevada must file an annual report, an annual list in Nevada, with the Secretary of State. The first annual list is due with the Articles of Organization, and the form is included with the articles. Each following annual list is due by the end of the anniversary month. The annual report can be filed online or by postal mail. Pay taxes. If your LLC collects sales tax on retail goods or has employees, you must register with the Nevada Department of Taxation. Register with the Nevada Employment Security Division. If your LLC has employees, you must register with the Employment Security Division. Acquire business license and additional licenses. All Nevada LLCs must obtain a state business license from the Nevada Secretary of State and renew it annually. The first business license application is included with the Articles of Organization, and renewal forms are included with each following annual report. Certain LLCs may also need local licenses depending on the nature of their business and location. Contact the city clerk in your municipality for information on fulfilling local licensing requirements. So to sum it up, how to form an LLC in Nevada. 1. Select a name. 2. Designate a registered agent. 3. File Articles of Organization. business license, and first annual list. 4. Create an operating agreement. 5. Obtain an employer identification number. 6. Fulfill your legal obligations, particularly relating to annual list, registering with the Department of Taxation and Employment Security Division, and applying for any additional licenses you may need. By following these steps, you can form an LLC in Nevada. All the websites mentioned earlier are located in the description below and a link to a guide. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos answering your questions to all things LLC.